Simran, start with the time. Keller Etil. Keller Etil means what is the time? What is the time or what time is it? We see this clock. So it is just like the English one. We say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So, and this is the time. Uner, Dözer, Throzer, Katzer, Sanger, Caesar, Scepter, Wheater, Nerfer, and Deezer, Onzer, and Midi and Minui. Midi is when it is 12 noon, and Minui is midnight. Now, the thing is, see this. See the three quarters, 15. When it is something by 15, it is a car. Something by 30, it is a demi. Something by 45, it is muala car. Now, how we will write this? Suppose it is, first of all, we write like this. If it is 7 o'clock, we write like this. Suppose if it is 7:15, so we will write this as setter cans. Okay, then we can also write it as setter a cart. We can also write this as this. Same similarly, if it is 8:30, so it is Viter front, or you can say Viter a demi. For Moala card, it is one time ahead. Like if it is this, so you will write Catcher. Okay, one way is writing Schwarzer, Kehon, Kehon Sang. Another way is Catcher, Moala card. Only in this one, you have to remember if it is 3:45, then it will be there is 1/4 left to there is 1/4 left to be 4, and the rest, like, see, if you are writing 3:50, so like 10 minutes are left to 4, like that. Then il a, here il a doesn't mean he is. If you are writing time in a sentence, like before this, it is written sep- scepter cans. So you can add il a scepter cans. If you want to write it in a sentence, then you can add il a in the starting, and then you can write it. Like see all these examples. These are all the examples. Okay, this 24-hour clock, in 24-hour clock, see, I have written Ile Vanter, it should be E, Ile Vanther Thront. This one is correct. But if I write Ile Vanther e Demi, this will be wrong. Because in 24-hour clock, we cannot use a card, a demi, moala card. We cannot use that. In 24-hour clock, the simple thing goes. This will be wrong. Then ile deezer thron, this is correct. Ile deezer e demi, this will be correct. And then there's an exercise to do it. You have to write it. Okay. Music Reva. Now, Music Reva is a very popular museum. It's a wax museum. You can see the statues kept over here. They are all made up of wax, and it is it is not only the personalities of France are over here. All over the world, the famous personalities are kept over here. Their statues. Venez découvrir le Paris d'hier et d'aujourd'hui, les grandes heures du XXe siècle, l'histoire de France et l'actualité. Au musée Grévin, 3000 personnes de Cire ont rendez-vous avec vous pour des rencontres, des photos, des souvenirs. So come, let's discover the Paris of yesterday and today, the great times of 20th century, the history and the new France. In Musée Grévin, in the Grévin Museum, around 3,000 wax person are there. You can have a meeting with them, you can have photo with them and create your memories. Cire is wax. Where tous les jours, it is open all the days. Du lundi au vendredi, the these are at these 30. So from Monday to Friday, it is open from 10 o'clock to 6:30. Les samedis, dimanche, jour férié et vacances scolaires. The these are these never. So all the holidays like Saturday, Sundays, jour férié means national holidays and vacances scolaires, school vacations. It is open from 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Then
Mom,
key,
what does Samedi?
what is?
Samedi.
Samedi is Saturday.
Okay.
Key, who is home? Now here, it's a game. It's not a game actually. You have to find it out. There are eight things written over there. It's see passive compose is being used in all, and the pictures are given over here. You have to find it out. Who is they're talking about whom? You have to associate the pictures with this. Find the relevant information on the net. Okay, now weekend app party program. Samedi 6 mars, 6 heures départ de Marseille, 9 heures arrivée à Paris, 10 heures visite de Musée Grévin, 12 heures
Mom,
30.
can you repeat?
I'm reading this, the weekend program. What are they making their program?
Okay, mom.
Depart de Marseille means like they are off to Marseille. Then at 9 o'clock they arrive in Paris. 10 o'clock they visit the museum and 12:30 they have their lunch. Their déjeuner is lunch. This man is asking, Qu'est-ce que vous avez dit samedi et dimanche? What did you do Saturday and Sunday? So she will tell in passé composé. Nous avons fait un voyage à Paris. Nous sommes partis à 6 heures et nous sommes arrivés à 9 heures. Nous avons visité le musée Grévin. J'ai vu Jean-Paul Gaultier et Céline Dion. Luca Aimé Monica Bellucci. So we did a trip, we did a tour in Paris. We left at 6 o'clock and we arrived at 9 o'clock. We visited Musée Greva. I saw Jean-Paul Gaultier. He was an army person there. And Celine Dion, she's a singer. Uh, Luca Aimé, he liked Luke. Luke Aimé, Monica Bellucci. Monica Bellucci is a famous French actress. Then you have these exercises over here. Third one. So all this we have done. Okay. Now the time, date. Okay, now how do we write the date? Date is very simple. Like
मैम व्हाट
today.
इज मैम ये जो
Hmm.
ये लिखा है लव प्योर मैम व्हाट डज दिस मीन
Blur is time, the date and time.
ओके
So, we have already done doing the time date now. Like today's date. Today is 13 juillet. So 13 juillet 2024, samedi, like this. We write the date like this.
ओके मैम
Okay. So Ladat. Okay, they have written the date. Now see, if the if the number is there, then only you will add le. If for suppose the number is not there, you will add en juillet,
ओके
en
मैम
2024. Okay, like that. Now these are the days of the week. I'll pronounce them one by one. Starts from Monday. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Once again, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Les mois de l'année, months of the year, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Once again, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre.
ओके मैम
Then coming over here, see, aujourd'hui means today. Demain is tomorrow. Après-demain is day after tomorrow. La semaine prochaine, next week. Now coming back to, okay, now, hier. Hier means yesterday. Avant-hier, day before yesterday. La semaine dernière, last week. So they are the different terms which we use in passé composé. This exercise you will do, this one and this one. Then, okay, let's do this exercise. Now here, see, here you have to use date, like the date written like this, and passive composé also. Some information is given about the person over here. You have to write this in a form of sentences. The first one is already done. This is number one. They have given the date and written naissance de Celia. So they have formed a sentence. Celia est née le 3 février 1970. Now, what could be the second sentence? First, let's number the sentence. What
Mom,
could be
what
the
does
second?
Celia mean?
Celia is a name.
Okay.
What could be the second sentence? Like
Uh,
first, let's mark it first. Which one is second, third, fourth, fifth?
okay, mom.
So which one is the second one?
मैम जो लाइक सेकंड वाला पूछ रहे हो ना आप?
Mm-hmm.
मैम उसके नेक्स्ट नीचे वाला आई गेस सो.
Hmm. By seeing the ear. Okay. Third one.
यस मैम. उसके नीचे वाला. मैम फोर्थ वाला है जो रनकौत्र आवे विलियम वाला.
Fifth one.
मैम उसके ऊपर वाला फोर्थ के ऊपर जो है
Okay. And the last is this.
लास्ट में.
Now we
या
have to write them in a sentence. So first sentence they have written. So I'll write that too. Okay, now every time we will not write Celia because Celia is a name of a girl, so we will use the subject pronoun L. Now, the second sentence says Entree à l'université. Entree is already written in passé composé, it's a verb. Now tell me the verb entree, does it comes in those 17 verbs? Will we use être or avoir in it?
मैम क्या?
Will we use être in entree or avoir in it? First of all, please speak in English. I hope you know English.
ओके मैम.
Yes, this entree will come in être or avoir. What will it take in passé composé?
मैम मे बी ऑत्र आई गेस सो.
Or will we write the date? Elle est entrée à l'université. Now it is only given 1990. 1990. So I told you when it is only given the year, we only write en 1990. The third sentence, it is the verb is not given. It is just given stage à Cambridge. Okay, it is given 1992 to 1994. Now, here we will write, see, the and like this. From 2004 to 2006. So we have to use this pattern to write from to this, the and So she did the training. Stage is training. So what verb will you use for did? What verb will you use for do? What is the verb for do?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Fourth one, she met with William. So rencontre is a verb. Rencontre will take être or avoir.
Ma'am, ma'am, avoir I will. Maybe.
Fifth sentence says she did diploma in English professor of English professor. So again we will use the verb faire.
Yes, avoir.
And the last one, they part pour l'Australie. She went, aller. We'll use the verb aller over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This is the way we write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, this I am leaving. Vous connaissez la chanson. This you will read and tell me if there's any problem. Because this dialogue
Okay,
is
ma'am.
easy. Okay. Um, do question number 5 and 6. You can write down the answers in the chats. I'll check it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, anything else I have to do?
Now, first do 5 and 6.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when do I have to do? Like, आपको WhatsApp पे send कर दूँ?
Write in the chats just now. Answers.
Right now?
Obviously.
मैम
Yes. Yes,
मैम
Simran.
फिफ्थ का जो ये मैम फिफ्थ का सी पार्ट मैम, इसमें थोड़ा डाउट है।
Cans are these. What is cans? You're not sure of your numbers, it means. This is what happens when you don't do anything. You're not doing homework and all. No sheets you were doing. This is the easiest one among this. Because this is straight away. What is cans? And what is these? It is just that.
मैम दीज इज 10 एंड
And
ट्विंस
cans
20।
is? Cans is 15.
ओके मैम फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीटेड।
Okay,
मैम
let's discuss question number 5. What did you write in the first one? Beater a card.
8 hour 15 minutes।
Hmm. B1 on Zaredemi.
11 hour 30।
Cans are these.
15 hour 10।
Scepter Moava.
7 hour 40 minutes।
No. Setar Moava means it is 7 hours. It is means it is 20 minutes to 7. It should be Caesar Kehont. Midi Muala card.
12 hour 15।
No. Le card, not a card. Le card.
ये तो 12 ही होता है।
No, Midi is 12, but it is written Muala card. Just as D1. Muala card means it is half, 1/4 is left to 12. So it is 11:45.
ओके।
Unar a card.
1 hour 15।
1 hour. Okay. Question number 6 you do as homework. 6
Okay,
you do
ma'am.
as homework, and this one, Audrey Totu. This we did the Celia one. This is just as the same. Information is given, you have to write in words.
Okay.
Page number 34. Do and send it on WhatsApp. I'll see you
Yeah,
on
sure.
Tuesday.
Okay,
Let's
ma'am.
start with a new lesson. Au revoir.
Au revoir.